Well, when it comes to India, India is our biggest overweight in our Causeway emerging market portfolio. So we are very bullish on India. You brought up a very good point, which is valuations. And when you look at India, certainly the large cap segment of India trades at expensive valuations relative to history and relative to other emerging markets. But if you go down the cap spectrum, you get a lot of interesting opportunities in mid and small cap, where you can find attractive valuations with good growth. And in fact, in our portfolio, our India exposure, our multiple on our India exposure is about half of that of the benchmark. So we're able to find interesting opportunities in India at a discount to market.
Interesting. And if there is one sector that really stands out and ticks all those boxes that you're referring to, Arjun, is it infrastructure?
Infrastructure is certainly a great place to be in India. We know that India has underinvested in infrastructure for years, and the runway for infrastructure is long, without a doubt. But it's also other sectors. I would point to non-bank financial companies in India, which trade at a discount relative to banks. And so we find some interesting opportunities there. In fact, our biggest holding in India is a power finance company that provides infrastructure loans to utilities and other infrastructure projects. So we like both of those themes, infrastructure and non-bank financials.
Got 1 minute left. What would you want to own in Southeast Asia?
In Southeast Asia, our biggest, I don't know, are you talking about ASEAN or are you talking about including Taiwan and Korea? Because our biggest overweight in the portaiwan is
yes.
to Taiwan.
Actually, why don't you just flesh out your overweight position on Taiwan for us?
Yeah. So Taiwan's our second biggest overweight in the portfolio. We think Taiwan represents a good mix of reasonable valuations, strong dividend yields, and exposure to secular growth themes such as AI. You talked about the NVIDIA earnings call that's coming up later this week. There's a whole supply chain that supplies NVIDIA, does all the manufacturing, the hardware, the GPUs, the baseboard, motherboard, servers, etc. And Taiwan is very much a part of that supply chain. So you have a lot of boxes checked with Taiwan.